What's up, guys? ZMBarzod20 here. I just picked up Pokemon Soul Silver, and since I pre-ordered it, I got the figure, so I'm doing an unboxing. So let's open the figure first. Alright. Comes in this box. Since I ordered Soul Silver, I got the Lugia one. Comes in this. Pretty cool. Whoop. There goes the camera. Alright. Yep, that's the Lugia one. Pretty cool. Alright, now let's get to the unboxing of the game. Alright, here we go. There we go. Hope you guys can see it. Alright. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. Pop that side open. Pull everything out. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Some box. Basically stuff that tells you about the Pokewalker. The Pokewalker instructions. The Pokewalker itself. Pokewalker. What else do we got? The belt clip for the Pokewalker. And now for the actual thing, the actual game. Alright, let's pop this open. Okay, open. Let's open and see what we got in here. The game, the booklet. Let's see what we got. We got the instruction manual. Stuff about Wi-Fi. DS stuff that normally comes with it. Something for Pokemon Rumble. And something to join Nintendo Club. And there's the game itself. And the cartridge is black. It's not gray like the others. But, yeah. Like I said, I'd give you guys an unboxing. And that's what I did. I got it a little early, so I was able to do it. Oh, and before I forget, my friend wanted me to give him a shout out. Malarkey, here's your shout out. Alright, until then, talk to you guys later. Peace.